Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a terrain in Unity. So first and foremost, and obvious, open up Unity. Now second, you would want to click on New Project. Now if it says that you're on 3D, that is exactly what you would want. You can rename it to whatever you want, I do not care. And then just create project. Now we just wait for it. And now we load into it. We just wait. This may take more than a minute, but that is okay. You do not need to be so impatient. We just wait. And if your computer does like make loud fan noises, that is okay. That is what it's supposed to do. If it does, but if it doesn't, then you're good. Either way. This this is never seen this before. Well, whatever. You'll be fine. Remember, we're learning how to make a terrain, not learning how to wait. Now we are here. Let's go and maximize this. Alright, now what you want to do is go to Game Object and look for something called 3D Object. Now hover over 3D Object and move your cursor to the right. Then when you see Terrain, you want to hover over that and click on it. Here's your terrain. Yes, it may seem far, but just zoom out of it real fast. Alright, now to make the mountains or hills or really anything that you want, you want to go to something called Paint Terrain. This is where it should be. Now, you could change the brushes to whatever you want, but I'm going to select my brushes to this. You could change the opacity and brush size under the brushes, as you can see. You could change it to whatever you want. And you can make this terrain however you want. It really does not matter. You do not have to copy me. Trust me. Alright, now we're gonna have something like this, and then we're going to select a different brush to give it another shape. Now, we could try to make them as high as possible, but I wouldn't. Alright, now we're gonna have this. We're just gonna do that right there. And we're gonna decrease it because we want to have more little hole. Now, it may look weird to you at first, but it's a terrain. It's gonna look weird. It's supposed to be a mountain or hill. Alright, and that should be it. That is how you make a terrain in Unity. Now, unless you want to learn more, then I will teach you how to make more. Okay,